That's gonna be in the video.
No.
What's good, guys? It's Clowns. We're recording another Nukes Top 5 reaction video. This time I got my sister here with me. Say hi, Tiffany.
Hello.
She's cringe. But, yeah, she wanted to be a part of the reaction. I guess she wants to be famous to my, 400 subscribers. We lit, What?
What?
Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, because YouTube sure isn't. They are calling it shocking content. I don't know, man. I don't know how how Nuke puts up with this. But let's get on into the video. Remember what we were doing before. We're gonna say if we think it's fake or real, and yeah, let's get into it. Stop eating all the damn food. I can't, bro. Let's get into it.
Reaching out. This next video was sent to me by Nukes top viewer Philip Whitaker from Burnley, England. In his email, Philip says that he has had several strange experiences around his home, but has never caught anything on camera. Until now. One night, his fiancée is sitting quietly in the living room when this happens.
What the hell?
Is she naked?
No.
Oh.
The faint humming of a woman can be heard as a pale translucent mist seems to fly directly over Philip's girlfriend, sending her running from the room in panic.
That's crazy. Shorty gets up like... Honestly, her reaction is a little bit sus.
It's fake.
Philip and his fiancée have no idea what they captured on their security camera. But what do you think this is? Caught live on camera. Live streamer Kayoya's Twitch and YouTube channels are focused on gameplay and Pokemon. None of his videos or live streams have any connection with the paranormal, which makes this next clip very strange. During one of Kayoya's live streams on Twitch, he is playing a game and talking to his audience when he hears something behind him.
Bro, there's no way this man is...
He's not coming, guys. Brock's not coming. Oh, no.
I mean, I've heard of streamers pranking their viewers with stuff like this before. But if this is actually a legitimate stream, then this one might be real. That last one was fake, but...
What? Oh my goodness. All right. How many people we got? Hello?
This seems genuine.
Okie dokie. My little hand vacuum fell over for some reason. Whatever.
Kayoya explains that his handheld vacuum has mysteriously just fallen to the floor. But did you see it? The live streamer is completely unaware, but a dark, shadow-like figure seems to peek into frame right behind him. Kayoya has no idea who or what this is. In a follow-up video, he explains exactly where it happened.
Okay, so right over here is where he was caught. Here's the little hand vacuum that kind of just went like that. Probably a little softer, but that's roughly what it seemed to be. It was right here on the floor, so that's nice. Also, here's the stairs going up, and here I'll go up them just so that you all know what it sounds like.
as
That's
soft as I can. And it still makes this much noise. So, like...
So if it was
even
fake,
try,
they would have
bro.
had already
Trust
had
me.
to be in the house.
So even if this was just a real person, then who was it? And how did they not make a sound on the creaky staircase? Kayoya believes that he might have captured a paranormal event live on camera. But as always, I leave it up to you to decide.
His explanation was a little too calm, though. You know what I'm saying?
What do you mean?
A breakfast croissant,
Like, he was just
plus seasoned
showing a
potatoes
video
for
of how
$3,
it couldn't be
and they're redshirting you?
It's just a standard work
an
shirt.
intruder,
Child's play.
right? But he doesn't sound scared. And he's still there. If that were me,
I mean, that's his whole setup for obviously the fact that he streams.
bro, I'm moving. That's it. Sorry about it. But I mean, that one could be real. The person in the back, or the figure, it looked like somebody in all black. But if it was paranormal, then shit, you know. I'm gonna give this a mid, because he didn't say if there was anybody else in the house. So. He ain't
Marika
lying,
de Wit
but
from
ain't
the
told
Netherlands
either,
posts on
meaning-
TikTok that she is worried about her youngest son. 2-year-old Mateo is playing in his room upstairs when Marika hears the boy yelling. She hurries upstairs to check on him, but everything seems fine. But when she looks at her security footage to see what the problem was, she is shocked.
What the hell? What the heck?
Mateo
Real.
appears to be looking at and even arguing with someone or something that we can't see. Then the 2-year-old seems to be pushed backwards onto the floor. Now Marika says that Mateo is fine and was completely unharmed. But this is where the story takes a very strange turn. You see, Marika says that she was originally pregnant with triplets, but sadly the other 2 fetuses failed to develop, leaving only little Mateo. Marika believes that Mateo might be visited by the spirits of his unborn siblings. But what do you think happened to little Mateo? Let me know.
If you die for
Before we move on to the next video, if you see anything that
I
you
don't
think
even
should be
have
included in the top 5,
cognitive ability
contact us
to
at
haunt you.
nukestop5@gmail.com.
Like, I don't even know what's going on.
Sticks
I
and
haven't even developed
stones.
yet.
Belgian urban explorer Jens from the YouTube channel Simtex travels to a small town in Germany to explore a 120-year-old abandoned sanatorium.
100%.
The sanatorium was built in 1905 to treat
not it.
patients suffering from severe and life-threatening lung disease. The clinic eventually closed its doors in 1992, but the structure was left to rot and decay for almost 30 years. Jens is joined by his friends as they attempt to do a paranormal investigation inside the sanatorium. The mansion-like structure is a bit remote, hidden away and surrounded by woods. So when the explorers begin to hear strange, unexplained noises coming from outside, they're understandably a little freaked out.
Ja, zijn er nog mensen?
Kom, er zijn er nog mensen.
Ja. Ja, gelukkig.
Ah, wacht. Wacht. Hier is iemand. Wacht. Kan politie zijn, kan politie.
Het was wel duidelijk dat er mensen waren, meerdere mensen zelf. Ik persoonlijk had maar 1 persoon gezien, maar als ik de videobeelden achteraf traag bekijk, zie ik zelf meerdere mensen. Hier zie je duidelijk 4 personen staan, waaronder 3 met zaklamp. Het moment dat ik naar buiten keek, deden er 2 personen hun zaklamp uit.
Give me the juice.
Dat is dus al iets wat niet klopt. Mensen die hun niet herkenbaar willen maken, dat klopt gewoon niet. En dat wisten wij. Die angst dat we hadden, was niet normaal.
Er is hier iemand. Nee, ik heb echt iets duidelijk gezien. Het was een zaklamp en ik heb mijn P gezien.
The Simtex team see the glare of multiple flashlights nearby and fear that there might be dangerous people lurking just outside. Then they hear something downright chilling.
Why don't they go check it out? They didn't announce themselves, but doesn't mean you shouldn't.
Oh, dat is naar buiten, ik heb zoiets los tegen in soorten.
Hallo?
Goedendag.
Ja, als het feit dat ze niet antwoorden is raar.
Ja, dat is inderdaad anders.
Het moment toen we riepen, hallo, goedendag, niemand antwoordde. Waarom zou je niet antwoorden? Dat is het bewijs dat het slechte intenties had.
Ja, die is ons bang aan het maken. Die is ons maar buiten aan het lokken.
Tell me, I've looked these haunted places and ain't
Ik
strapped.
probeer het te laten doen. Nee, deze is niet juist, man.
The Urbex group is shocked as it sounds like the people outside are hacking and stomping away at the very building itself. The entire foundation seems to shake and rubble starts to fall from the ceiling above them. What happens next is absolutely terrifying.
Snel. Kom hier, Via. Kim? Alles oké? Hè? Ça va, Kim?
Where's Kim?
Ça va, Kim? Alles oké?
One of the towers of the sanatorium gives way and collapses, almost coming down right on top of them. They make a run for it and just barely make their escape from the collapsing building. Now they are in a panic and the group hurries through the woods to find their way back to the small road near the sanatorium. But when they get there, they encounter 4 young men who are acting very suspiciously.
What the f... Hè? Wat? Airbags. Alles chill?
Yes. Are you okay? Are you okay? Hey.
What are you doing?
Are you okay?
We make lost places. Huh? Lost places.
But we were inside.
We are inside.
Bitte?
We are inside.
No.
We are inside.
Maar nee, maar wacht, Mathieu, rustig.
Zeggen we crazy of zo?
We were already dead.
Maar nee, hebben zij English.
There.
He was inside.
We are here.
What have you done?
I found it here.
Yes, but you broke the house. It's coming down. We was inside.
No.
I saw you.
Is it?
Yes, we were inside. Look.
Rustig.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Are you okay?
We're nearly dead.
Do you have Wunder oder
No, but we are
Verletzung? Are
scared.
you injured?
Look, we are scared.
Yes. I know. What happened? We heard it only.
You? I don't know what you do, but you have stepped the building. It's
No,
coming down.
we
He
have-
was inside. Yes,
No, we was
have
not
seen you.
inside. Nee.
We hebben alles op camera.
Hey, niet roepen, rustig. Rustig praten.
No,
Denk je dat waren zij dikke? En we waren bijna dood dikke?
Maar waren zij
Maar ja, maar wacht, doe even zo'n schot dikke.
why are you guys doing this? Why?
Oder ist noch wer drin in dem Haus? Was
Die kam doch mal rausgerannt.
Also ihr seid komplett.
No.
No way they
We are
can
not
try to
with them,
collapse a building on them.
We are just tourists. I don't know what they do, but they come outside.
Wer war da
the
jetzt
house.
drin? Wart ihr drin?
Takes like
Hier met zijn stek, ja.
Da hingekommen und haben. Ja, wir 4 kennen uns. Wir sind da hingekommen, haben von außen gesehen,
dass es von außen für uns zu gefährlich ist, da reinzugehen. Daraufhin haben wir kehrt gemacht und sind wieder rausgegangen.
Nee, dat is niet waar.
Maar wacht,
Maar kijk, jij komt uit dat bos. Ik heb het zien lopen.
Hij ligt.
Maar rustig, maar wij deden ook niks.
Dat is toch volkomen egal, zijt je?
Deze content moeten jullie zien, want deze is gestoord. Mensen die gewoon expres een gebouw laten instorten. Wij zaten daar binnen.
Hoe was dat dan? Wat is dat?
De feuerwehr erin.
Kijk, nu hoort je hier een alarm afgaan. Dit is dus effectief voor ons. Hè. Dat is dus een brandweer die wordt opgeroepen omdat er iets ingestort is.
The young men claim that they had nothing to do with the partial collapse of the sanatorium that almost ended the Simtex team. But it seems fairly obvious that they are the culprits. In minutes, police, ambulances, and firemen arrive on the scene. Jens tells them exactly what happened, but the four mysterious young men have now fled into the night, never to be seen again. Jens points out that one of the men was holding a large wooden object that he believes they might have used to beat at the base of the rotting building, causing the collapse. Luckily, Jens and all of his friends escape without a scratch. This incident is yet another example of why I always say people are usually scarier and much more dangerous than anything paranormal. You can watch this entire chilling video over on the YouTube channel,
He's not wrong.
Simtex.
We
High
created an
school
atomic
horror.
bomb, for Christ's sake.
Reddit user responsible ad as a security guard at a high school in Mexicali, Mexico. One night, he hears the sound of someone talking just outside on the school grounds. When he goes to check it out, he gets the scare of a lifetime.
Can't really say if that one was real or fake because it was, you know, it wasn't really paranormal.
Que lo dudo, ¿no? Pero, pues igual. Está bastante oscuro, ¿no? Es que se escuchó a alguien. ¡Su puta madre! ¡Su puta madre! ¡Su puta madre, güey! ¡Su puta madre, güey! ¡Su puta madre, güey! ¡Puta madre, güey! Se miró algo, güey. Se miró alguien, güey. No mames. No mames. No mames.
Did you see it?
Oh,
When the video is
what's going
brightened
on?
and slowed down, a strange face can be seen quickly moving out of sight behind the air conditioning unit at the corner of the building. The security guard runs to check it out, but there's nothing there. What makes this footage even stranger is that no legs or feet can be seen, almost as if this head has no body. The security guard is freaked out and claims that what he saw was absolutely something paranormal. He says that he searched the high school grounds but never found anyone. So what do you think this is? Let me know. In the Pines. Facebook user Silas Neposh is with his friends exploring the beautiful snowy landscape of Quebec, Canada, when suddenly they spot something very strange in the distant tree line.
Whoa. What the
heck is that?
The tree just like walked away.
Something
What?
happened over there. There was the trees.
No shot.
That's what it looked like.
It looked like somebody was waving.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's like a tree is walking away.
There's no way that's just real.
Now this odd video went viral when many Facebook viewers noticed what looked like a large humanoid figure that seemed to actually be picking up the trees and carrying them.
No way
Some
that's just
Facebook
real.
comments claim that the figure is a Sasquatch or Yeti. And some even believe it could be aliens. Either way, just what do you think is going on here? Let me know down in the
Range of
comments.
special effects in the world today. I don't know if I could believe this.
Sticking his neck out. OG paranormal live streamer Ala from the YouTube channel Adventurer Ala is back on yet another creepy live exploration. This time Ala is at an old empty warehouse located somewhere in Saudi Arabia. Locals say that the building was abandoned because it is haunted by an evil entity or, quote, jinn. Ala is a little nervous as he explores the property grounds, and he should be, because strange things start to happen almost immediately.
I'll make it make sense.
Captain McCann? بسم الله بسم الله بسم الله أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق. بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء.
It's basically them saying it in the name of Jesus.
وهو السميع العليم.
Go home to that.
You don't believe in Jesus. God's name. Believe in the same God as us. They just don't believe Jesus.
اللهم إن كان هذا سحر فابطله.
Allah searches the property but is unable to find any explanation for this strange phenomena. But what happens next is very odd and downright chilling.
يا ويل أمي يا ويل أمي الله القوي وأنتم الضعفاء حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل. لا 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 والله يا جماعة مني بايع عمري أنا والله يا جماعة مني بايع عمري حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل. والله مني بايع عمري والله مني بايع عمري.
An abandoned giraffe plushie suddenly just starts to move on its own. The neck straightens out and seems to raise up as if the stuffed animal is alive. And with that, Allah has had about enough. He ends the live stream and just gets out of there. The explorer believes that he might have captured a manifestation of the sinister jinn that is said to haunt the abandoned warehouse. But what do you think is going on here? Is it a haunted stuffed giraffe? Or is it all just an elaborate hoax? You decide. Into the woods. YouTube user RexyBoy34 claims that he was out in the woods with his friends, just kind of messing around and taking pictures and videos. Then he spots something strange near the trees.
What the hell is that? Behind you.
Oh, I was like, I thought the people were the ghosts,
There
bro.
was something there.
Why is it so
There
dark?
was. I'm not. There was something
They're
there.
filming on an Android. Filming on a Nokia.
Someone or something comes lurching from the forest towards them. The group seems overcome with fear and they make a run for it. Now, YouTube user RexyBoy34 only ever posted this one video to his YouTube channel, so it's kinda hard to say whether this footage is real or perhaps more likely, maybe just a prank. Bro.
So.
But either way, I'd wager that this girl was not in on the prank because, well, look at her.
You gotta expose her like that, Luke.
Something fishy is going on. Data from the popular Indian YouTube channel Crazy About Fishing and Cooking as well. He's crazy about fishing and cooking, I guess. Anyway, all of Data's videos are about his hobby of fishing in rivers and lakes in India and then cooking the fish he caught. On one of his fishing trips, he is joined by two of his friends as they hike deep into the wilderness to find the best spot to fish. They make their way through thick vegetation and even cross a creek by using a small fallen tree as a makeshift bridge. Now, it goes without saying that when they finally find a fishing spot, it is very remote, and no one should be there but them. But as the sun is setting and the day comes to an end, this happens.
Hals maage bak झाडाच्या मागे काय दिसतंय का तुम्हाला भास होतं का तुला का मला दिसतंय अरे येडा बघ ना ते झाडाच्या मागे अरे एवढा हसतोय ना तो ए कोण आहे तिथे
Oh,
ए
that's a person.
कोण आहे काय रे काय होतं एवढा माणूस दिसत नव्हता काय होतं
Someone or something can be seen mysteriously running through the dark woods near Data and his friends. They yell out to the stranger, but whoever it is does not answer. Even weirder, the person just seems to disappear amongst the trees. Data says that this was the most terrifying experience he's ever had while fishing. And to this day, Data and his friends still don't know who or what they saw. Many viewers of his YouTube channel believe they might have had a paranormal encounter. But you decide. What is this? Let me know down in the comments.
I think it was just a
Just passing by. This next video is a bit of a mystery because the video was reposted to TikTok without any mention of the original source. The video shows CCTV footage of a man who seems to be walking down a staircase in his home. But what happens next is truly bizarre.
I'm good on that. You don't need to tell me.
A shadow-like figure seems to pass right by the man as it creepily climbs up the stairs. But the man doesn't even seem to notice the eerie dark shape. Now, without a source, we'll never know whether this footage is real or just an elaborate hoax. But let me know what you think. So be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you don't miss a video in my messed up upload schedule. And also follow me on the Twitters and on the Instagrams and on all the things.
Giving real.
Thank you very much for watching and hopefully see you back next time.
That was a very mid Nukes video though.
Oh, it's not his fault. The videos people are sending in are mid.
Mid.
Maybe the next one will have more real. Oh my god! Don't mind me.